Imagine having a $500 per month AI tool at your fingertips, but instead of paying a dime, you get it for free. That's right, zero cost. This might sound too good to be true, but bear with me as we explore how this phenomenon has become a reality in recent times. The catalyst behind this revolution is largely attributed to the collective efforts of some of the brightest minds in the tech industry. Specifically, the emergence of OpenAI's GPT-3 model, which boasts an astonishing 175 billion parameters and can generate text that's often indistinguishable from human-written content. What's remarkable about GPT-3 is its availability on a platform called GitHub, where developers and researchers can access it for free. This has opened doors to countless innovators who would otherwise be priced out of the AI market due to budget constraints. For instance, researchers at Stanford University used GPT-3 to create a language model that's capable of generating conversational dialogue in a way that's more natural than ever before. But here's the thing, this isn't just some academic exercise or proof of concept. Companies are actually using these free AI tools to drive real-world business results. For example, a marketing firm used GPT-3 to generate high-quality product descriptions for e-commerce products, leading to a significant increase in sales. Another company employed the technology to automate its customer support system, resulting in a substantial reduction in response times. So how is this possible? The answer lies in the concept of open-source software, where developers can share and modify source code without restrictions. By making AI tools like GPT-3 available under an open-source license, companies are essentially crowdsourcing innovation and development while keeping costs to zero. The concept of having a $500 per month AI tool at your fingertips for zero cost may seem like science fiction to some, but it's a reality that's been unfolding in recent times. The catalyst behind this revolution can be attributed to the open-source movement within the tech community. One such example is Hugging Face's Transformers library, which provides pre-trained models for natural language processing tasks. Initially released in 2018 by researchers at Facebook AI and NYU, it quickly gained popularity among developers and researchers due to its ease of use and high accuracy. Today, the library boasts over 200 million downloads worldwide. Another significant factor contributing to this phenomenon is the emergence of cloud-based platforms like Google Cloud's AutoML and Amazon SageMaker. These services provide access to AI tools and models for a fraction of their traditional costs, often at no cost or with minimal subscription fees. For instance, Google Cloud's AutoML allows users to build custom machine learning models with a free tier that includes 100 hours of training time. The collaboration between these open-source libraries and cloud-based platforms has given rise to new business models that prioritize accessibility over profit. One notable example is the startup, TARS, which offers AI-powered customer support chatbots for small businesses at no cost. Their model is based on Hugging Face's Transformers library and leverages Google Cloud's AutoML capabilities. As a result of these developments, entrepreneurs and small business owners can now tap into powerful AI tools that would have been financially unfeasible just a few years ago. This democratization of access to AI technology has the potential to level the playing field for industries and businesses of all sizes. The emergence of open-source AI tools has been a pivotal factor in making cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab have become hubs for developers to share, collaborate, and improve each other's code. This collaborative approach has accelerated innovation, allowing even the smallest projects to tap into advanced AI capabilities. Take Hugging Face's Transformers library, for instance. Initially developed as a research project at Facebook, it was later open-sourced in 2018. Today, this library powers over 10 million deployments across various industries. By making its code freely available, Hugging Face has empowered developers to build applications that rival those created with commercial AI tools. Another crucial factor is the rise of cloud services like Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure. These providers have started offering free tiers or discounted pricing for certain AI-related services, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. For example, AWS SageMaker service offers a free tier with up to 750 hours of usage per month. Open-source frameworks like PyTorch and TensorFlow have also played a significant role in democratizing access to AI technology. These frameworks allow developers to build custom models from scratch or fine-tune pre-trained ones for their specific use cases. By leveraging these frameworks, developers can create complex AI applications without requiring substantial resources or expertise. Moreover, the growth of online communities and forums has facilitated knowledge sharing and collaboration among developers. Platforms like Kaggle, GitHub, and Reddit's machine learning community have created spaces where developers can exchange ideas, share code, and learn from one another. This collective effort has contributed significantly to the advancement of AI technology, making it more accessible to individuals and small businesses. The confluence of these factors has indeed made a $500 per month AI tool available at zero cost. By leveraging open-source platforms, cloud services, and community-driven innovation, developers can tap into advanced AI capabilities without breaking the bank. This shift has far-reaching implications for various industries, from healthcare to finance, where access to sophisticated AI technology can be a game-changer. As we've established that a $500 per month AI tool can be had for free, it's essential to dig deeper into the implications and consequences of such a phenomenon. One of the primary drivers behind this revolution is the advancements in open-source software development. Companies like Google and Microsoft have been releasing their proprietary AI algorithms as open-source tools, making them available to developers worldwide. Take, for instance, TensorFlow, an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. Since its release in 2015, TensorFlow has become one of the most popular AI frameworks globally, with millions of downloads annually. Similarly, Microsoft's Cognitive Toolkit, CNTK, and Facebook's PyTorch have also been made available as open-source tools. These free alternatives have democratized access to cutting-edge AI technology, allowing developers to experiment and innovate without the burden of exorbitant licensing fees. This shift has far-reaching implications for industries like healthcare, finance, and education, where AI can be used to improve outcomes, streamline processes, and enhance user experiences. The real-world applications are already being felt in various sectors. For example, researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, have developed an open-source tool that uses deep learning to detect diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of blindness worldwide. This innovation has the potential to save millions of dollars annually by reducing healthcare costs associated with this condition. Moreover, as more developers and organizations contribute to these open-source projects, the AI community is witnessing exponential growth in terms of new ideas, collaborations, and breakthroughs. It's not uncommon for researchers from different parts of the world to collaborate on a single project using free AI tools, leading to accelerated progress in fields like natural language processing and computer vision. The impact of zero-cost AI tools on the job market is also an area worth exploring. While some argue that such advancements might lead to job displacement, others believe that they will create new opportunities for professionals who can adapt and innovate using these free resources. As we dive deeper into the world of free AI tools, it's essential to understand what sparked this revolution. In 2019, a groundbreaking paper titled "Attention is All You Need" was published by Vaswani et al. In the Proceedings of the International Conference on Learning Representations, ICLR. This research introduced the transformer architecture, which laid the foundation for the development of efficient and effective AI models. The transformer's ability to process long-range dependencies without recurrent neural networks, RNNs, or convolutional neural networks, CNNs, made it a game-changer. Its impact was immediate, with many organizations starting to adopt this technology. However, the initial enthusiasm was tempered by the high computational costs associated with training these models. But what if I told you that there's now an AI tool that can rival some of the most expensive commercial solutions? A tool that can be accessed for free, with no strings attached. Sounds too good to be true. Let me show you how this is possible. In recent times, open-source platforms like Hugging Face and Google's Vertex AI have emerged as leaders in providing accessible AI technology. These platforms not only offer cutting-edge models but also facilitate collaboration among researchers, developers, and users worldwide. The democratization of AI has been made possible by the collective efforts of thousands of contributors who have contributed to these platforms. With this collaborative approach, it's no longer a rare occurrence for someone to stumble upon an exceptional model that rivals those developed by top-tier companies. As we've explored the vast capabilities of AI tools